Pack travel items and clothes in a travel suitcase. Traveling encourages overpacking. In fact, this is one of the common problems of travelers. It is important that you know what to bring and how to put your travel items in your travel suitcase. Packing doesn't have to be a hassle if you know the tips below. Pick the right travel suitcase. Suitcases are available in different sizes and different features. Consider how many days you will be gone and how many items you need to fit in a travel suitcase. Small suitcases are best for less than a week of travel. Consider what you'll bring, too. Get the most appropriate size of travel suitcase for all your things. But before that, you must take away things that you don't really need. Too many extras can only eat up important space in the suitcase. Also, consider using a suitcase with wheels but can also be a carry-on. Wheels will save you energy but carrying the bag will save you time. Prepare the travel items. Everything that has to be put in the travel suitcase must be lying on the bed. This makes it easier for you to get them and put in the suitcase. Group things accordingly. Group undergarments, tops, bottoms, footwear, health accessories, jewelries, documents, hygiene necessities, power bars, extra money, and books. Other things that are not included here like the camera, wallet, cell phone, battery, and maps must be packed in a carry-on bag. This separate bag will contain everything that you might need while traveling to your destination. Meanwhile, the suitcase will cater for the things that you will use in the destination. Wrap some items. Group the health accessories like first aid kit, toothbrush, toothpaste, etc., in a sealed plastic bag. Hygiene accessories like soap, shampoo, conditioner, lotion, etc., should be put in a separate sealed bag, too. Doing this will prevent any mess in case any of these things accidentally broke up and spill. Wrap documents in a waterproof container also like a sealed plastic. Include your extra cash in between the documents. Assess the compartments of your travel suitcase. Some have small pockets for shoes and socks, a zipped part for documents, and a bulging portion for health and hygiene items. Put your things in their appropriate part of the travel suitcase. Make sure that these things will not fall in case the suitcase has to be opened at the airport. If the suitcase has no separate compartment, simply put them on top of the clothes. Put undergarments at the bottom. This means you have to pack your undergarment first. It will be a shame and impolite if airport officers will see undergarments during the check. Put heavier clothes first. Jeans and other heavy clothes should be put over the undergarments. Continue on layering your clothes from the heaviest to the lightest. Roll the clothes to avoid ugly wrinkles. Instead of packing your clothes the traditional way, roll them before putting in the suitcase. Doing this will also save space and will be easier to look for items. Wrap other items with clothes. Items that are delicate like sunglasses, jewelries, or mirrors, should be wrapped with your clothes. Packing travel items and clothes in a travel suitcase will not be enough for any travel. You need to prepare your separate carry-on bag, too. Check and recheck all these items before you leave.